Hi everybody! Welcome to Camglish.com online teaching guide for beginner students. It's me again, Teacher Angel, and let's begin our lesson in the Oxford Picture Dictionary. So after learning about the process of medical and dental exams in our previous video, it's now time to talk about the hospital. Our topic today is hospital. Okay, a hospital. Alright. Hospital is a place where sick and hurt people go to find care or help. So in our lesson today, we're going to talk about different people we can see inside the hospital. Let's try to study unfamiliar terms. Okay? Let's first discuss the hospital staff. Hospital staff. Okay, staff means like the group of people that performs jobs in the hospital. Okay, that's hospital staff. So in number 1 we have the term obstetrician. Obstetrician. Obstetrician is a medical doctor whose specialty is pregnancy and childbirth. Okay? Alright, she is what we call obstetrician. Okay? Next, student, we have the word internist. Internist. Okay? He is what we call internist. Internist is a doctor whose specialty is internal medicine. Okay? In number 3, we have what we call the cardiologist. Cardiologist. Again, cardiologist. Cardiologist is a specialist in the structure and function and disorders of the heart. So if ever you have a heart problem, you need to look for a cardiologist. Consult a cardiologist. Okay? Next, we have in number 4, the pediatrician. Again, the pediatrician. One more time. Pediatrician. Pediatrician is a doctor who takes care of babies and children. They are the ones who take care of babies and children. Okay? Next, we have radiologists in number 5. Again, radiologists. A radiologist is a doctor who specializes in dealing with examination of bones and internal organs using imaging techniques such as X-rays, ultrasound, and magnetic resonance. Okay? This is what we call, again, the X-ray result, right? Okay. Next, we have the psychiatrist in number 6. Psychiatrist. Psychiatrist is a medical doctor who treats people with mental and emotional illnesses. Okay? Next, we have in number 7, the ophthalmologist. Again, ophthalmologist. One more time, ophthalmologist. An ophthalmologist is a specialist that treats diseases of the eye. That's the job of ophthalmologist. Next, we have the X-ray technician. X-ray technician, or what we also call the radiographer. Radiographer. An X-ray technician, or what we also call radiographer, is a healthcare professional who creates medical images of the body to help doctors diagnose and treat illness and injury They work in hospitals, clinics, and medical laboratories. Okay? So, X-ray technicians are a big help in this kind of industry or job, right? Now, inside a hospital, we can see rooms, right? Like the patient room or patient's room. Now, let's try to look for the things that we can see here and let's try to name them. Like in number 9, you can see a bed table. Okay, bed table inside the room. Bed table. And then we can also see the call button. Call button. This is what you need to press when you need to call nurse or doctor's attention. Okay? Call button. Next, in number 11, we have the hospital bed. Hospital bed. Okay? And then we have in number 12, the bed control. Bed control. Okay, you can adjust your bed just by pulling it up or down. Okay, bed control. Next we have the bedpan. 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 Bedpan is a shallow pen used as a toilet by a person who cannot get out of bed. That's the purpose of bedpan. And then we have the medical waste disposal. You can also see medical waste disposal inside the room. This is where you put your trash or garbage inside. Okay? Next we have the hospital gown. Hospital gown. A patient should wear a hospital gown. Okay, this is a dress. Okay, you wear when you're confined in hospital. Okay? And then we have number 16, the lab technician. Lab technician. He is responsible for laboratory-based tasks, which include sampling, testing, measuring, recording, and analyzing results. They carry out fundamental tests, such as getting blood sample from the patient needed for the test procedure. That's the work of lab technician. Okay, what she's doing here is to draw blood from the patient. Blood work, we call it blood work for the blood test. Okay, we get blood sample for the blood test. Okay, or he gets blood sample for the blood test. Okay, so did you understand our lesson today, students? I hope you learned something new and you understand all these terms. Even though it's hard to pronounce, please try to practice them. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Angel. Goodbye.